up and drop the boots up. So I have another wig review for you guys. Now, before I go into this video, I'm gonna just say it's 100 degrees in New York right now, and honey, I'm sweating, I'm pouring, I'm drenched, okay? So I'm in a different setting in my bedroom. If you're new and you're watching this video and you're like, what you got going on? Like, who is you? Girl, my name is Anna Zoll. You might don't know me really, but I make hair reviews, I make videos, I make makeup videos, I make vlogs, I make talk through story time. What you finna do? You about to subscribe right now. I know you like, should I subscribe? Should I or just, no, subscribe, honey, okay? Subscribe and be part of the Anna Zoll family, darling, okay? Be a part of the notification squad and hit that bell notification right next to that subscribe button, okay? Alright, as you see, I got my wig cap on, you know, looking all crazy when I, let's go get the wig. This is how inside the wig is, you know, just a middle part, combs on the side, and it has one comb in the nape area. What I'm gonna do first and foremost is fix this parting area, darling. Black got to be glue bottom, gel it down like so. I'm just taking some salon selective moves, you know, that way everything laid down flat. This is how the hair is laying now, honey. I'm in love with this hair already. As you can see, this is a very easy style. Hair texture very coarse, but at the same time it's not too much to where it's like, oh my god, this hair is too thick and annoying. Like, this is a great density. For guessing, I would say the hair density will probably be about 130 or 140. You already know I gotta do the shake test. Even with the short wigs, I gotta do the shake test. So let's go. This is a synthetic wig, human hair blend mostly. You can straighten or curl this hair up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As far as the fitting for this wig, the wig fits beautifully, okay? As I show you guys in the beginning, it has 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in the nape area. I don't really advise, you know, using the combs in the wig as, you know, much as to your advantage, because it can take out your hair, guys. So use it, you know, when it's like a windy day or whatever, or you're gonna go on a roller coaster, anything like that. But try to stay away from using the combs and the wigs, you know, as much as possible, unless you really need them, or, you know, just use Got2b glue gel and gel it down. This wig is definitely big head friendly. You know, summertime coming up, we want to do color, okay, girls? So try to get out of, you know, the black and the dark brown hair. Let's get into some color this summer. This wig is also good if you want to do some color hair, but you're kind of scared to do color. You don't want to do nothing too crazy. This color is perfect for you. Just like a very nice wine burgundy color, like, yes, honey, like, yes. I didn't go too crazy with the baby hairs, guys. You know, less baby hairs is the best baby hairs, you know, for different type of style. And it's so natural looking. It looked like I just got a wash instead. They just blowed out my hair. My hair just, you know, just swinging. The name of this wig is Sensational Impress on Lace Wig, and it's in the style Queen. And the color of this wig is 99J. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I show you guys, you know, a quick little slay, you know, quick little summer slay or whatever. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All the hair details will be linked down below, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.